Hello everyone. Welcome to the next session of Django tutorial, and we are going to learn uh, Django along with DivK Learner. That's me. So today we are going to talk about the CRUD operation, which is create, read, update, delete data. We'll be covering create part of it, and in this we'll be opening the PowerShell to add data to the table. We'll be importing the model. We'll be checking the members in the query string. We'll be saving the single row of the table, then we'll be reading it, and then we'll be saving the multiple rows to the table, and then we'll be fetching the records. So very quickly, let's just go to the project that we're working on. And the first thing that we have to do is we have to open up the PowerShell command. So to do that, we'll write down py manage.py shell, and that will open up the shell command from us. Then we are going to write down the name of the model. So we are going to import the model from there, and then we will try to see the models of it. So at the moment, the query string is empty and we don't have any value in the database. So now let's just add the values. And before I do that, let's open up this, because we'll be requiring this the page to write in the right uh, name of the columns. So I'll write down my demo1 is equal to my demo1 bracket. The first thing would be the employees first, first name, which is equal to, I'll mention as employees is equal to 1. So this is where I'm putting in the employee's first name, employee's last name. So this is just giving me okay, my fault. Just writing, go back to it. This is unexpected argument employees. So that's where I've done it. So I have to remove the SS and put in either, and that will take care of it. Yeah. And then I'll write on my one dot save. So when I run the save command, that will save the value. I can see all the objects again, and I should have one object there, which it is referring to. So all that I have to do is add values, start a bracket, and hit enter to give me the value that I added. So this is how I can add a single record. If I want to add multiple records, I'll have to write down the same commands. Save out here, change the name. Then I put in the value as 3. We have created 4 objects. Now we will write down the numbers, or we can write down the my demo underscore list, and in that list I'm going to write down demo false. We'll just go to small my demo, demo 3, 4, 5. Enter, and then this is where we have created the list, and now we are going to x in my demo underscore list, hit enter and write down x dot save. Enter. So this has got all saved. So now let's just run that command with which we are checking the all members with the value. So if I hit enter, you will see that I have 5 values in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because the first one never overwrite itself. The first one was the same in which we have saved our loop, and then we started with the second one. So that's the reason we have 5 items there. I was thinking that we should have 6, but then that's how we have the 5 one there. And I wanted to check one more thing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, because ID is unique, so it would have failed at one place, but then that would have given the same values. The same object. Yeah. So that's the example that I wanted to show you. Where we have saved like 5 values into the model. It's working. So with that, I come to the end of today's session as well. Tomorrow we'll be talking about the other part of the operations, which is related to the read, update, and delete. So with that, I thank you for listening and learning with me. I hope we have moved a bit forward in our learning. To contact me, write me in the YouTube comments or email me at divklearn@gmail.com. Have a good day. Bye-bye.